Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for supporting your girl. I really do appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an empty house tour. And also I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience in house hunting here in the UK. To be honest, it's not easy. So yeah, lately some persons in Nigeria wanting to relocate UK be asking me questions, and when you tell them, they don't even understand how the system here works. And when they ask you how much is it, and you tell them, be like, hey Jesus, this is a big money and blah blah blah, they don't even know that it's not even easy to get the house. For me, I feel like 60 to 70% of Nigerians or people who relocate here, the first 6 months of living in this country, I don't think the house they live in is the kind of house they want, because most people just living there for the meantime and then trying to look for another house. For me, I've been house hunting for ages. I've been experiencing lots of things, racism, issues, so many things, so many things, so discouraging. It's not just easy, and getting the kind of house you want, knowing where you come from back home. We know how spacious our houses is in Nigeria. I don't know, I'm from Nigeria, but back home, honestly speaking, the bedrooms are spacious, the bed are big, everything. But here, I don't know, everything is itchy, just managing it. So I don't understand how it works here, but we're getting used to it. So today I'm going to be doing empty house tour, because I just collected the house key and want to see how things, what we do in the house, decorate it, paint it, do all of that. Yeah, so I'm going to make a video. So guys, now we are on our way to the house. To be honest, getting a house here in the UK is not easy, honestly speaking. Sometimes you're asking yourself, are you buying a house? It's even better for you to buy a house and rest. For some reason, we're not able to get mortgage, but hopefully we'll still try again. And honestly speaking, like, back home in Nigeria, it's not very difficult, but here they'll ask for reference. Where do you work? Where do you this one? And some landlords, to be honest, some landlord, even after doing all of that, all the check and all of that, they will not tell you, proof of identity. The last house we got, it was so sad. After we make the bond, make deposit, I made sure we just proof of identity. I don't know what happened, but I gave them my driving license and my passport. Same thing with my husband. Landlord later send us email. That's the housing agent send us email that landlord said he's not, I don't know, for some reason he's not giving us the house. Even my co-workers were so upset. They say we can report that it's racism, blah blah blah. I say I'm not reporting anything, because the house is not my house. So what am I dragging the house for? And the house was still on market, because people still call them, they say the house is available. So it was just not easy for us. So getting this house we got is not even that wow, but it's just that at least it's better, because the fact that each bedroom has toilet. It's a 3-bedroom house. Each bedroom has their own toilet. So my husband feel like, like where we live now is 2-bedroom and it's just 1 toilet. So coming from home, each room back home usually have toilet. Anyway, depending on where you live, but back home, our house, each bedroom has toilet, and the comfortability, the way, the comfort is not when you now shower, you come out from this room, when you want to enter this room, another person will go, stuff like that. So it's just crazy, honestly speaking. So getting a house in the UK is just hard work, and even if you get from private landlords, sometimes when the house have issue is a problem. So guys, we're on our way to the house now. Please, if not subscribed, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So we are just going to the house. And like I said, getting a house here in the UK, to be honest, is not easy. So many challenges in house hunting here in the UK. And even if you get from a private landlord, sometimes it has a very big advantage, to be honest, sometimes. So yeah, this is the street of the house. I noticed there are lots of blacks here, but I don't know what to say, but I think it's just mixed. But I noticed there are lots of black here. But when we were like looking for the house, we didn't even know. But I just realized I have a friend who live in this area. I didn't even know she lived here. We've got lots of people, like African people, who live in this area. So we're like, oh, okay, this is like African neighborhood. Anyway, so this is the view of the house. Anyway, this is UK. Everybody's on your own. If you like, say hi. If you like, don't say hi. You'll be in your house on your own. So yeah, this is the house. We're just going inside the house now. This is the view. There's a 2-story building. This is the entrance of the house. This is the first bedroom, and yeah, this is just the walkway. And this is the laundry room where you do your laundry, wash everything and all of that. I was happy it had laundry room, to be honest. And that's the back garden. The back garden is not too massive, but it's okay. At least I don't have to keep, you know, cutting grass and doing all of that, doing the garden. So this is the laundry room, and this is the first bedroom. So the first bedroom is downstairs, so if you like have a visitor, at least the person will just be down, privacy. And that is the toilet for the that is the toilet. It has a bathroom and toilet. So this is it. I said it has a shower, and toilet. That's for downstairs. So, and same downstairs, it has like where you can hang your coat, and it's just like a wardrobe, not really like, but you know, like where you can hang clothes, put shoes. There's the entrance again. You have some places where you can hang your coat, because this country is always cold anyway. So we're going upstairs. So this is the first floor. The first floor is the kitchen and the sitting room. This is the sitting room. To be honest, the sitting room is so big. I was so happy about this sitting room. It was so big. I don't know, for some reason it's not looking big on this camera. I don't know, but this sitting room was so big. It's so difficult to see a big sitting room like this, because these people, I don't even know how they size their houses. This is outside view from the sitting room. So lovely. The sitting room was so big. I was like, wow, this is my first time seeing such a big sitting room like this. And that's another place where you can hang your clothes. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. That's the dishwasher. This is the dining. This is the dishwasher. This is the dining, and the dining place. So yeah, the kitchen is nice. It's okay. I like it though, to be honest. It's okay. And it has a fridge. I also have my own fridge. I have the freezer, I have fridge. I just said, okay, I'll have extra. The plan, I was just like, okay, I think I'm going to put one of my fridge in this dining. And then anyway, that's just it. This is the view. So we're going to the last floor. That's the bedroom. That's the bedroom. So this is where you see the 2-bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. This house is empty, like there's no wardrobe, so we're literally going to buy everything within. We're going to buy a new wardrobe. We're going to buy everything in this house. Usually some houses used to have furniture, have wardrobe, have thing, but this one does not have any. So we're going to buy a wardrobe. And yeah, this is the master's bedroom. And the master's bedroom, it has its own bath. So this is another thing, like I told you guys, my husband loved that, the fact that everything is in the house, inside the bedroom. Yeah, this is the bath though. So this is the master's bedroom. So this is the second bedroom, obviously my daughter's bedroom. So it's just opposite the other bedroom. So this is the bedroom. Like I said, it's empty house. We have to put wardrobe, have to put everything. And this is the bathroom. It has a shower and toilet. Each bedroom has shower and toilet. That's the good thing about this house. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it for the bedroom. So before I forget, this is another, like, this place is just like another store, but it's where you can see hang coat in here. But I think that's the, I don't know if I should call it heater or something like that. So that is the heating room, but it has like a place where you can hang your clothes. So we're just going downstairs now. Downstairs, this is the garage. This is the best place I like in this house, to be honest. This garage, for some reason, I just realized I have so many load. Even my husband is tired of me, say I have load. Even me, I don't understand how I managed to have such a big load. So I was just happy about this garage because I can store everything and take my time and, you know, sort out things I want and things I don't want. And like if I'm buying things for sale to send back home, I can always keep them in this garage before sending them back home. I was so happy about this garage, to be honest. So yeah, we've come to the end of today's video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. And thank you for supporting me, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, bye.